Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're going to look at green juice. Green juice is coconut and ashwagandha infused. It's a gently dried superfood powder. It is gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and vegan. Also, it's certified USDA organic. Don't trust the stuff that isn't USDA certified organic because it's kind of shady at best. So here's what I do with it. I've been trying this out. I've tried it several times now. I actually like it. It says you should use this with your favorite soy milk, regular milk, whatever. I actually like it with water, so just be creative. But you can also put it with your favorite milk. There you go. So I put it into a Hamilton Beach blender, which I reviewed in the past on 911reviews.com. So then we go ahead. We had some ice on there. I put 3 pieces of ice. And then I fill it with a cup or 2 of water. No exact science there. Throw it in the blender, and it has kind of a minty flavor to it. And you can see, really kind of fun to watch the vitamin infusion there. To tell you a little bit more about the product before I give this one a try, it says it hydrates and revitalizes, naturally balances hormones, no fillers, no additives. Let's see, boost the immune system. It's great for mental clarity, and no artificial ingredients. So you just take a scoop, mix it in with your favorite type of milk. In this case, like I said, I like a little bit of water and ice. There you go. And wow, you can really, I don't know how to exactly explain it. You can definitely taste that it has some real organic greens in there, as well as it just has kind of, to me, it has almost like a minty flavor, very healthy tasting. And like if you have that with maybe some soy milk, great if you're lactose intolerant, or with some regular milk. I really think that people should try some of those milks like Fairlife. They really do offer a lot more protein, the animals are treated better, and things like that. So if you're going for the organic styling, you want a vegan drink, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, give green juice a try. We'll put a link in the description below. And if you're so inclined, here's some of the nutritional information. It's got a good bit of your fiber, just a little bit of sodium, low calorie, and just overall good for you. If you're looking for wheatgrass and that sort of thing, this is the product for you. Go ahead and click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. Westside Hospital. Adios, amigos.